In this step, we're going to start the process of sewing our carrot together. So we will sew together the carrot tops first using a running stitch. Now I want to take those two pieces and I want to align them. And then I will use safety pins to hold them in place while I sew. You want to make sure that your safety pins are far enough away from the outer edge of the work that they won't interfere with your running stitch. But I find that 2 on this piece work just right to hold the pieces in place, but also allow for some space for you to do your running stitch. So for this, I'm going to start between the 2 layers of fabric, and I'm going to start in the stem of the carrot top and hide my knot between the 2 layers of fabric when I'm starting my work. And then I'm going to start a running stitch. I want to start in the middle of that stem and end in the middle of that stem because that is going to later be hidden inside of the carrot. And so if I have a little thread or a little tail showing at the bottom of that, we'll hide it inside of the carrot. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue my running stitch around the outer edge of the carrot top with about a 1/8 inch seam allowance. Your seam allowance is the distance between your stitch and the edge of the fabric. So I'm just going to try to keep my stitches about the same distance away from the edge of the fabric all the way around. And you can see I'm working around the those rounded edges of the leaf. Make a little smaller stitch and adjust to that curve. I'm just going to continue that running stitch around the outer edge of the work, making sure that I'm pushing my needle through both layers of fabric and going down through the top layer and coming up from the bottom layer at about the same distance. It's very easy to either miss the back fabric altogether or else put your needle through in the back in a very different place than you are pushing it through in the front. So every once in a while it's good to turn the work over and just check that you're staying consistent on the back side as well as on the front side of the work with your stitches. I'm just going to continue all along the edge, all the way down to where the stem is. When I get to the end, I'm going to make sure that my last stitch is coming out the back side of the work. So I'll make one last stitch, and my needle is going to come out the back side of the work. I'm going to make a little ending knot right there at the back by picking up just a little bit of the back piece of fabric. It's not coming out the front, just a little piece of the back. I'll make a loop, and I'll pass my needle through that loop once, twice, and then I'll pull my knot tight. Just push my needle back up through nearby where the knot is coming out, but back up through that stem piece, and then I'll clip my tail. Now I'll just take out my safety pins. And the carrot top is done.